Okay, here I am again, trying for one more board. Let's see what time it is here. It's a snowy day now. A little bit different than the last time. It's only 19 degrees out. Okay, I'm here. I got here a lot quicker than I thought this time. Got here at about 19 after, so it only took me 8 minutes. I am number 2 on the list. The list is on the wall there, as usual. So that's my chair. I brought a chair this time. Okay, well, here it is. Now become dawn. Hi again, everybody. Welcome to my latest video. Well, as you can see, I decided to go out there again and see if I could get some more parts. 3000 series cards, 5000 series AMD CPUs, whatever. It was cold. It was dry this time as opposed to the last time I went out there almost 2 months ago now, but it was really cold. I got there probably, as you saw, about 5:20 in the morning, and there was one other person there, so I got the second spot, which I've never been that close before. But other people were a little bit late showing up today, so I probably got out there a little too early. I'm not sure if, taking an extra half hour sleep would have made a difference in this case. But in any way, I was there from like 5:20 in the morning up till 10 o'clock a.m. So you can do the calculation on that one. I was out there a long time. Although the first hour of which I got to stay in my car when it was just 2 of us out there. The other individual was in their car, so I stayed in mine, and I was just keeping an eye peeled when cars were coming in and making sure that if somebody started heading for the front door, that I got out there first to defend my position. My chair was already out there, but that's what you have to do in these things. Make sure that they understand that's where you are on the line. But it turned out the first few that went up there, they were employees going into a different door, but I didn't realize that they cross over, where we're waiting. Anyway, I did wanted to say that today was pretty good. I got almost everything I wanted. I wound up getting a little brother for this guy, the 3080 over here. Not a 3080, but I got a 3070, the ASUS KO model. A pretty good card. It's not as good as the ASUS Strix or the ASUS Tough, but it's good. And you can overclock it very well if you'd like to. And this one's meant for a family relative who's nowhere near a micro center. So I decided to go out there and get it for them while the getting was still good. The prices went up on this though. This one here is the same one that I got before, and the price is up probably about $80 from what I paid for it. But in addition to that, I got something that I wanted, which was the AMD Ryzen 5900X. And this CPU is going to be an upgrade for this PC. Right now this has a 3900X in it, and I'm going to upgrade it to the 5900X. I've already done the benchmarks on that one, so after I put this one in, I'll redo those benchmarks and show that in that video that I do the upgrade. I'm also going to upgrade the SSDs on this PC to faster ones and higher capacity ones. But I'm not buying new ones. Those are ones that I have in my other backup editing rig. So this is going to be the new backup editing rig, so those SSDs are going in here. Anyway, that's what I did today, and I wanted to let everybody know that this still works if you get out there early enough. It used to be 2 hours, though I think it's more like 3 hours if you really want to have a chance at it. Today was slim pickings, quite honestly. So there was only about maybe 12 to 15 3000 series video cards that came in, and it looked like they had maybe 4 or 5 6800 and 6900 AMD video cards, and they had a few processors. They only had 2 5900Xs, so I'm glad I snagged one. And they had a bunch of 5800Xs. So it's they came in on the truck. I actually saw the truck pull in, but they had told me when I went there the other day that they're getting much less shipment than they used to get. So I was, let's go out there and try again. Well, I had a day off like I had today. So, not sure if you got anything out of this video. If you did, at least consider, please, subscribing to my channel. That would be very helpful. Well, until the next time, stay healthy and stay safe.